In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Traveler in Amtrak. To get started, open the Amtrak website on your browser. Once the homepage loads, you'll be at the main booking area where you can begin setting up your trip details. This is where you'll choose the type of trip you want and enter the information needed before adding travelers. First, select your trip type. For this example, we're using a round trip. If that option is already visible, go ahead and click on round trip to confirm it. Choosing the correct trip type is important because it changes the fields you'll need to fill out, especially when it comes to return travel. Next, enter your departure location. Click into the departure field and type the city or station you'll be leaving from. After that, move to the destination field and enter where you want to travel to. Make sure both locations are correct before continuing, since your route will affect the schedules and fares that appear later. Now add your depart date. Click the date field and choose the day you plan to leave. Because this example is for a round trip, you'll also need to add a return date. Select the date you want to come back and double check that both dates match your travel plans. Once the trip details are filled in, go to the Travelers section. This is the area where you can add the people traveling with you. Click on Travelers to open the passenger menu. Inside, you'll see different traveler categories, which helps Amtrak apply the right fare rules and ticket options. If you're booking for a standard passenger, add an adult. If the traveler qualifies for a different category, you can choose senior instead. You may also see options for youth, child, or infant, depending on who is traveling with you. Be sure to select the correct category for each person, since age-based options can affect pricing and eligibility. To actually add each traveler, click the plus button next to the appropriate category. Each click increases the number of passengers in that group. For example, if you're traveling with 2 adults and 1 child, click the plus sign twice for adult and once for child. Take a moment to review the total traveler count so everything is accurate before moving on. And that's it. Once your travelers have been added, your Amtrak trip setup is ready for the next part of the booking process. Just make sure all trip details, dates, and passenger types are correct before you continue.